Hello kids! Welcome to today's fun lesson. We're going to learn about 3 prepositions: near, behind, and in front of. These words help us describe where things are. Look at this chick and the hen. The chick is near the hen. Great job now. Look at the sun. Where is it? The sun is behind the hills. Fantastic. Here's a car. Look carefully. The car is near the house. Excellent. Look at this girl. Where is she standing? The girl is behind the house. Wonderful now. See the tree in this picture. The tree is near the house. Well done finally. Look at this boy. Where is he sitting? The boy is in front of the TV. Amazing work. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use near, behind, and in front of to describe where things are. Keep practicing with objects around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.